topic is BODMAS rule, and this is BODMAS, and by the BODMAS rule we will simplify the different numbers, and it is the sequence of the signs, then what we have to solve first and what we will solve at the last. Here B for brackets, O for off, D for divide, M for multiply, A for add, and S for subtract. In this simply you can see, first of all we have to solve bracket, then off, then divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract. Then brackets are also of 4 types. These are of 4 types. First of all we will solve the bar bracket. This is a single bar will be on the numbers, and this will be solved first, bar bracket. After that this bracket, which is called small bracket, and after a small bracket we will solve this middle bracket. It is known as middle and curly bracket. After that this is big bracket will be solved. Now this is the sequence of the brackets. First of all solve bar bracket, then a small bracket, then middle bracket or curly bracket, then big bracket. If if there is a bracket like bar bracket, then you will solve bar bracket first. If there is no small bracket, then you have to solve curly bracket. After that off, divide, multiply, add, and then subtract. Now here are some examples where we are solving using BODMAS. Here you can see 18 divided by 9 plus 7 into 6 minus 5 plus 10. Divide is there, plus is there, multiply, minus, plus. Now according to BODMAS, what do you know? First of all we will divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract. So first of all we will divide here. 18 divided by 9, then our answer is 2, plus, then left will be same. After that now you can see in this we have solved divide. Now we will solve multiply. 7 6 it will be 42, then 2 plus 42 minus 5 plus 10. Now 2 plus 42 it is 44. Then you can see 5 plus 10. Now 44 minus 5 it is 39, plus 10 then it is 49. Now look at the another example. 2 of 10 divided by 5 plus 60 divided by 3 of 2 plus 50 minus 10. Now we know according to BODMAS, first of all we have to solve brackets, then off, then divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract. Now here we will solve off first, then divide, because here is off, and off means we have to multiply the numbers without writing the sign of multiply. Means 2 of 10 will be 2 tens are 20, and left will be written same. Here also 3 of 2 means 3 twos are 6 we will write, and left we will write the same. Now here we have to solve divide, because of we have solved. Now divide. 20 divided by 5 it is 4, 60 divided by 6 it is 10, and left will be written same. Now you can see 4 plus 10 will be 14, 14 plus 50 minus 10, 14 and 50 will be 64, minus 10, then it will be 54. Now example 3, it will be more clear. Now here it is bracket, and this is a smaller one, and you can see there is only one bracket, which is a small bracket. So जब small bracket दिया है, then we will solve only this small bracket. Now in this small bracket you can see off is there, divide is there, minus is there and plus is there. So first of all we have to solve divide. Now we will solve divide. It is first of all we will solve off. It is 2 of 20. So 2 of 20 will be 40 divided by 4 minus 5 plus 25. We know in off we have to multiply. Then again 150 and 40 divided by 4, it is 10 minus 5 plus 25. Now it is 150 divided by 10 minus 5, it is 5 plus 25. Now 150 divided by 30, and when 150 is divided by 30 then our answer is 5. Now what do you see here? First of all we have to solve the brackets. Now next question number 4. It is here you can see smaller one also there, middle is also there, big bracket is also there. So first of all we will solve a smaller bracket, and left we will write the same like 6. This is same. Now here you can see 4 minus 3 it will be 2. So 2, 4 minus 3 it will be 1. So 2 and it is in bracket 1. Then here we will write 6 minus, अब here 2 here bracket 1, तो ये 2 और 1 जो होंगे वो आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, तो 2 1 जा 2. So here 24 plus, now 5 minus 2 it will be 3, so 6 minus 3, and then 24 plus 6 minus 3 it will be 3. Then our answer will be 27. Now you can see next one. Here it is divide, multiply, divide, and first of all we have to divide because there is no off, no bracket. So we will divide first. 4 divided by 2 it is 2. Here also 4 divided by 2 it is 2. Now you can see divide is solved. Now we will solve multiply. 3 2s it is 6. 2 2s it is 4. Now we will plus 10 plus 2 12. 12 minus 6 it will be 6. Or 4 minus 4, this can be cut because one is in plus, one is in minus. So our answer will be 6. Now question number 6. Here you can see divide, multiply. So these are the examples which will make you more. So 6 divided by 6 we can write it is 1, or left will be written as same. Now we will multiply 6 6 is 36, and 1 plus 36 it is 37, minus 6 then it will be 31. Now here you can see smaller one is there, middle one is also there, and big bracket is also there. So first of all we will solve that smaller bracket. So write left part as same. Now we will solve smaller one, and left we will write same. So 12 minus 5 it is 17. Then you can see now smaller is solved. Now we will solve middle bracket, curly bracket. So it is 15. And after that when 65 is added to 15 then our answer will be 80. Or 98 minus 80 it will be 18. Now bigger one, here you can see divide, off, and all types of brackets are there except bar bracket. We will solve first of all smaller bracket, and left will be written as same. Left will be written as same. Now here 2 minus 2 it will be 0, and 0 minus 2 it will be minus 2. So we will write here minus 2 in the bracket. Now I told you when there is no symbol between bracket and number, then what we do? We will do multiply. So we will multiply So 2 and minus 2 will be multiplied here, and minus 2 then it will be plus 4. Now you can see here, now we are on curly bracket, and curly 2 plus 4 it will be 6, then we will write minus 6. Now after that it is written minus 4, because 2 minus 6 it will be minus 4. Then we will write it as, again we will multiply minus 2 to minus 4, then we will get plus 8. Now what is left? Divide is left, off is left, and plus is left. Now we will solve off. 4 2s are 8. Don't forget the order of the BODMAS. BODMAS, B for bracket, we have solved all the brackets. Now off, then divide, and then multiply, but multiply is not there, then we will add. So 16 divided by 8, our answer is 2. 2 plus 8, then our answer is 10. Now next, question number 9th. These both are smaller brackets, so 27 minus 25 it is 2, or 12 plus 1 it is 13. When there is no symbol, these will be multiplied, so 12 13s are 26, yeah, 13 2s are 26. Now last one. I hope these examples will clear the BODMAS rule and you will be able to understand all the questions. So first of all, we will solve here off and write left as same. First of all, solve off. 3 5s are 15. Now we will solve here divide, because it is in bracket. जो भी bracket में होता है उसको हमें पहले solve करना होगा, और brackets का भी मैंने order बताया आपको, bar bracket, then small bracket, then middle bracket, then big bracket. अब यहाँ पर small bracket है बस, तो जिसको हम solve कर रहे हैं, तो 30, अब इस bracket के अंदर divide है, off है, plus है, multiply है, तो हमको क्या करना है, पहले ऑफ सॉल्व करना है. तो ऑफ हो गया 3 5 are 15. नाउ वी आर सॉल्विंग डिवाइड. 30 डिवाइडेड बाय 15 इट इज 2, और 6 1 वी विल राइट इट सेम. नाउ 110 प्लस 98 minus 2 ऑफ and 2 plus 6, then it is 110 plus 98, 2 of 8. Now 110 plus 98 minus 16, then it is 1, we will plus, then we got 1208 minus 16. Now 208 minus 16 what? 2 1, here we will 10, then 1, then it will be 9. 192 is our answer. I hope you will understand it properly, or